I came across the problem of creaking on this hub 2 years ago and made a couple of videos on it. In short, these free hubs were initially designed to work without any grease, came to the market, and in most cases started creaking. Shimano issued a service note and recommended light greasing as a solution. Then another service note with more greasing as a solution. At first, the grease really worked. A year ago, while regreasing, I had to replace the worn plastic spacer for a new one as well. But now, after approximately 5,000 kilometers from the start, I'm afraid the hub is just done. Let's have a detailed look. First, the spacer. Nothing new, some legs are crushed and some gone completely. I deliberately left the spacer with grease. We'll get to it later. Next, the free hub body. Some teeth are better, some are worse, but they are all noticeably damaged. If your hub just started creaking for the first time, you can see how much more mine is damaged. At different angle. And finally, the hub itself. Again, the teeth are completely compromised. Now imagine, is there any chance for a new plastic spacer to survive between the crushed teeth of these two parts? Absolutely none. Greased or not, a new spacer will be gone in just a few rides. The hub is done. Do you remember the gray grease on the spacer? You cannot imagine how much of it I had to remove from the hub. And by the way, the grease was crystal green when applied. I guess it absorbs worn metal particles coming from friction, and this makes it so grayish. My conclusion. I did my best to keep the hub working. Followed all Shimano recommendations. Greased, regreased, replaced the spacer when necessary. It did not help. The whole design for this hub family is a failure. And the only way to properly solve the problem, redesign it. Do you own a hub of this family? How is it? Maybe someone lucky did 10,000 kilometers with such a hub with no issues at all?